are relaxing and cinematic and often bring in thousands of views. Now let me teach you how. Okay guys, so once you log into your ChatGPT account, you're going to come up here at the top and you're going to type in an ocean animal cinematic video ideas. Then click the enter button, okay? And let's see what ChatGPT gives us, okay? ChatGPT has given us 10 different ocean animal ideas. Just scroll down and view them and choose the one that you want to use. Okay guys, so I have decided to use number 3, life inside a coral reef. It gives you a little mini story. The camera flies through colorful coral, clownfish, angelfish pass by. Okay, even gives you a hook on each one. I'm going to come down here and type in the number 3, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for me. Once you do that, come over here and click the enter button, okay? ChatGPT has given us our image prompt. I'm going to copy it, highlight it, okay? Right click and click copy, okay? Then you're going to head over to Google. You're going to type in Flow AI, and you're going to click on the first one here. Okay, guys, so I already have an account with Flow AI, but if you didn't, you can easily create one by linking it to a Google account. Once that's done, click on New Project at the bottom. We're going to come down to the bottom, make sure it says Image, make sure that the ratio is 9:16, and choose Nano Banana 2, which is free. We're going to right click, we're going to paste our prompt from ChatGPT so that Flow AI will give us a free image, okay? This is the image that Flow AI has given us, and I do like it. It's colorful. It has the fish down below and the school of fish as well, along with the sea turtle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to download 2K. I'm going to drag it down here. Okay. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change it from image to video, okay? Okay, we are back in ChatGPT. Type in below, generate a detailed video prompt for the scene, okay? Then click the enter button. ChatGPT has given us our video prompt. Just copy it, okay? Okay, guys, so we're back in Flow AI. Right click and paste our video prompt from ChatGPT. Then hit enter, okay? And let's see what it gives us. Okay, our video is ready. Come up here and press play. The quality is incredible, bright with beautiful colors, and it has a realistic feel, and the music matches every moment perfectly. Okay, guys, so once that's done, come up here, click on the 3 dots. I'll scroll to download, click on 720p, okay? And then you will have your video ready to upload, okay? It's just that simple. Thanks for watching, and please remember, guys, to like and subscribe for more video tutorials coming your way.